Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I want to show you how to upload a video to YouTube using the Android YouTube app. I'm doing this on a Samsung Note 10 Plus, but the same process will follow on other Android phones. As always, make sure your YouTube app is updated to the latest version from your Play Store. So now let's open up the YouTube app. Press on the plus sign at the bottom center of the screen, then tap on Upload a Video. This will open up your camera gallery. You can record your own video by tapping on the camera icon, or you can choose a video from the gallery. For this video, I'll choose it from the gallery. Now on the next screen, using the timeline, you can adjust the beginning and the end of the video. You can enter in the title of the video. You can enter in your description. You can enter in the location. And now where it says public, tap on that and you can choose if you want it public, unlisted, private or scheduled. Once you're done filling all that section, tap on next at the top right of the screen. In the next screen, YouTube will ask you about your audience, choose your appropriate answers and then press upload at the top right again. Now it'll start to upload. If you tap on library, you can see the progress of your upload on your video section. Tap on your video and you'll see a detailed view of the upload progress. Once the upload is finished and processed, the video will be ready. Tap on it and watch the video. And there you go guys, that is how to upload a video to YouTube using the Android YouTube app. Hope you found this useful. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.